Hello everyone. Today we discuss about key characteristics of marketing research in marketing analytics. The use of both qualitative and quantitative methods in marketing research to gather information to understand consumer attitudes and preferences and motivations, and qualitative research uses in-depth interviews, focus groups, and observations. On the other hand, quantitative research uses surveys and questionnaires and statistical analysis to collect numerical data, consumer insights. Market research aims to comprehend consumer behavior, preferences, and needs. It aids companies in identifying target markets, customer segments, and effective marketing strategies. Businesses can customize their goods, services, and messaging to satisfy particular customer demands by gaining insights into consumer attitude. Market analysis. Market research includes examining industry dynamics, market trends, and the competitive landscape. It aids in the identifications of market opportunities, the evaluation of market potential, and the assessment of the viability of novel goods or services. Additionally, these analyses aids companies in understanding their place in the market and aids them in developing competitive advantages through strategic decisions also. Now, the main difference between marketing analysis and marketing research, similar to how a doctor must first identify the issue before prescribing a remedy, a chemist can provide the appropriate medications if they know what to look for. This is how market research and marketing analytics differ. Market research is aid in problem identifications, and marketing analytics offers understanding and remedies. Despite being separate fields, marketing analytics and marketing research are not incompatible. In actuality, they support one another and can be integrated to provide a true understanding of the market and consumer behavior. Businesses can gain a competitive edge and make better decisions by fusing the power of data analytics with through market research. The difference between a marketing campaign's success and failure can be traced back to a company's commitment to its mission. While market research and marketing analytics both aim to inform decisions, their methodologies and approaches vary. While market research combines qualitative and quantitative techniques to understand consumer behavior and market dynamics, marketing analytics focuses on analyzing competitive data to gain insights and make predictions. Businesses can develop a true understanding of their target market, improve their marketing tactics, and promote company growth by effectively combining these two disciplines also. Now, levels in marketing analytics. When we think about data trends, we think about the big catch phrases like machine learning, big data, AI, and the like. But at the core of it, data is all about helping you make smarter, more well informed decisions. What would be the point of these or things like predictive algorithms and big data if they don't lead organizations to make smarter, better, well informed decisions. But it's not just access to data that helps you make smarter decisions, it's the way you analyze it. That's why it's important to understand the four levels of analytics: descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive. Now, descriptive analytics. Descriptive, also known as observation and reporting, is the most basic level of analytics. Many times, organizations find themselves spending most of their time in this level. Think about dashboards and why they exist. The build reports and present on what happened in the past. This is a vital step in the world of analytics and decision making. But it's really only the first step. It's important to get beyond the initial observations and dive into insights, which is the second level of analytics. Now, the second point is diagnostic analytics. Diagnostic analytics is where we get to the why. We move beyond an observation like whether the chart is trending up or down and get to the what that is making it happen. This is where the ability to ask questions about the data and tie those questions back to objectives and business imperatives is most important. Imagine going to a doctor where the only thing they do is look at you, make the observations that, oh yeah, you look sick, and then leave the room. That's not going to do much for your health. We need to be able to understand what is causing the sickness. The doctor should make the observation, diagnose you, and then give you a treatment plan to help you feel better. It's the same thing. Why analytics? You make an observation, identify the descriptive analysis, and move forward to the diagnosis. Now, predictive analytics, the point 3. Predictive analytics allows organizations to predict different decisions, test them for success, find areas of weakness in the business, make more prediction, and so forth. This flow allows organizations to see how the first three levels can work together. Predictive analytics involves technologies like machine learning, algorithms, and artificial intelligence, that is AI, which gives it power because this is where the data science comes in. Now, when we incorporate the importance of not just predicting but using data science, statistics, and the third level of analytics combined with the first two levels, organizations truly can see success with their data and analytical strategies. However, the reality is sorry, that currently most of your organizations is not spending a lot of time with predictive analytics. Leaders are spending most of their time in descriptive and diagnostic, but predictive is a very important part of the puzzle. Every organization needs a workforce that can speak the language of data and the language of predictive analytics. Now, number 4, prescriptive analytics. Prescriptive analytics exists at a very advanced level. and is the most powerful and final phase and truly encompasses the why of analytics. It's when the data itself prescribes what should be done. Data driven decisions making is tied most closely to predictive and prescriptive analytics. Even though these are the most advanced, think of prescriptive analytics as taking all over levels of analytics to prescribe things you should be doing. The data and analytics show you the way. Thomas Matthew, Chief Product Officer, describes it that prescriptive analytics builds on prescriptive by information decision makers about different decisions choices with their anticipated impact on a specific key performance indicators. Think of traffic navigation's app. Think of the first three levels of analytics. We have your descriptive or descriptions of what has happened, followed by diagnosing why, and then you end with predicting what will happen. Now imagine you allow the data and analytics to inform you what action to take. That is powerful and why it matters for businesses. All four levels create the puzzle of analytics. Describe, diagnosis, predict, prescribe. When all four work together, you can truly succeed with a data and analytical strategy. If the four are not working well together, or one part is completely missing, the organization's data and analytical strategy is not complete. These four levels of analytics need to permeate throughout an organization in order for data literacy to be effective. Additionally, teams need to have better skills which allow them to tap into each levels as best they can. The ultimate hope is that those decisions tie back to the most important business objectives and goals. Now, adoption of marketing analytics. Leveraging marketing analytics to drive decisions provides strategic advantages like optimizing spending, personalizations, and providing ROI. But getting organization wide adoption of data driven marketing requires overcoming ingraining habits. Make the business case, demonstrate how analytics will address specific pain point, goals and challenges faced by the business, and quantify the ROI it can drive. These build buy-informed leadership. Get stakeholders teams like sales, product marketing involved during the rollout planning to address concerns and gather, gather our input. Make them patterns in the process. Invest in training. Conduct workshops and hands on training to upskill teams on using analytics tools and interpreting data. Well informed users drive adoptions. Communicate quick wins. Highlights early analytics wins likely optimizing spend or higher conversion rates. Tangible results build confidence in the value of analytics. Customized data access provide different teams access to metrics tailored to their goals. Finance may want revenue data while social seeks engagement levels. Simplify data uses. Ensure easy accessible or accessibility through visual data dashboards versus raw supports or reports. User friendly interfaces drive regular uses, empower decision making, enable teams to take actions like budget shifts or content changes based on data without lengthy approvals. Empowerment encourages adoptions. Managers should consistently reference analytics in decisions and energy. Lead by demonstrating analytics value, not just directives. Application of marketing analytics. Marketing analytics is a powerful tool that businesses use to understand, measure, and optimize their marketing efforts. Here are some common application of marketing analytics that I described right now. First, consumer segmentations. By analyzing customer data, businesses can segment their customer base into groups with similar characteristics, behavior, and preferences. These segmentations help in targeted marketing campaign tailored to specific segments, hereby improving effectiveness and ROI. Campaign performance tracking. Marketing analytics allows businesses to track the performance of their marketing campaigns in real time. They can measure metrics such as click through rates, conversions rates, and return on investment, that is ROI, to assess the effectiveness of their campaigns and make necessary adjustment. Predictive modeling using historical data and advanced analytical or analytics techniques, businesses can develop predictive models to forecast future trends, customer behavior, and market demand. These insights help in marketing data driven decisions and planning future marketing strategies also. Now, the fourth point, customer lifetime value, CLV. Prediction marketing analytics helps in predicting the lifetime value of customers by analyzing their past interactions, purchasing behavior, and engagement with the brand. This information enables businesses to elaborate resources more effectively, focusing on acquiring and retaining high value customers. Personalizations. By leveraging analytics, businesses can create personalized marketing campaign tailored in individual customer preference and behaviors. This personalized approach enhances customer engagement, improves brand loyalty, and drives higher conversion rates. So that's the end of the video, my friends. If you like my blogs, please subscribe and share my channel. In the next episode, I will discuss about channel attributions in marketing analytics. Thanks a lot for watching my videos. Good day.